My name is Leah. I've been a registered dental hygienist for 12 years. I love dental hygiene because it's more about improving someone's overall health rather than just changing the color of the teeth. I opened Smile Blanc in 2021 and have been servicing the downtown community since then. We're a hygiene practice, so we provide digital x-rays, checkups, exams, as well as guided biofilm therapy, which is a new way to clean teeth. It's actually Calgary's first certified practice, as well as professional blue light teeth whitening. Community to a dental office is more than just cleaning teeth. It's about building relationships, promoting oral health education, and smiling together.